The Dragon Boat Festival, also known as the Duanwu Festival, is a traditional Chinese holiday celebrated on the 5th day of the 5th lunar month. It is said to commemorate the ancient poet Qu Yuan, who drowned himself in a river on this day. In memory of him, people hold various activities, such as dragon boat races and eating Zongzi. Eating Zongzi is a significant custom during the Dragon Boat Festival. Zongzi, wrapped in bamboo or reed leaves, is a traditional Chinese food made of glutinous rice and other fillings. The tradition of eating Zongzi dates back to ancient times, when people threw them into the river to prevent fish and shrimp from eating Qu Yuan's body. Over time, Zongzi has evolved into a festival delicacy with rich cultural significance. It symbolizes unity and family bonds, as families gather together to make and enjoy Zongzi during the Dragon Boat Festival. The making of Zongzi also reflects China's traditional culinary culture, with various shapes, sizes, and flavors depending on regional and familial preferences. In conclusion, the Dragon Boat Festival and the custom of eating Zongzi are deeply rooted in Chinese culture and history, representing the spirit of unity and resilience of the Chinese people. People in the north of China tend to prefer sweet Zongzi. They like to add sugar to plain white Zongzi or wrap red dates and grapes dry inside. In contrast, people in the south prefer salty Zongzi, wrapping bacon, sausage, and ham inside. My ancestral home is in Xinjiang, so I'm from the northwest. I love sweet Zongzi. And right now I'm eating one with red bean paste filling. I like to sprinkle some granulated sugar on top.
Important thing is you're all right. Good health. I came here because there's going to be no bloodshed. That nothing interfere with our plans for the future. Yours and mine.